What's up, YouTube?
We are back in the garage once again. What are we working on?
What are we working on?
I guess first things first. We've been getting a lot of questions on why we are doing what we are doing.
Yeah. Why make it a right-hand drive?
Yeah. What's wrong with the left-hand drive? I say there's a lot of work involved for little payout. For people that's looking on the out, for people that's on the outside looking in, yeah, I could see that. But for us, why not? When we got it.
Yeah. Do something different, right? I mean, everybody wants their rig to be different in some way. That's
In some way.
kind of everybody's goal.
I wanted the right-hand drive to live on, so why not do it on something that you don't ever see?
And who knows? I mean, if you needed to get a job delivering mail, you're set.
Yeah. So if that's the case, then what was it you said last night we'd call it?
The mail manchi.
Mail manchi.
The mail manchi.
I like that. I like that.
So, what we've done here is completely remove the firewall. And a little different, I think, than what we had initially planned on, because what we were thinking to begin with was we were just going to cut it, kind of where it made sense, cut this one out of the right-hand drive and try to graft the two together. But the closer we looked at it, we realized that you can actually take this stuff apart.
Completely take it apart. You can even as much as take the bottom apart.
Yeah, if you wanted to go all the way down.
But we figured the floorboards, they're not going to mesh up exact. Even if we went that route, one side of this is further sticking out than this side. On the Comanche, it's different. So when we get down to the ends of the horns, we're going to have to deal with that when we get there. So we just went ahead and cut it.
But aside from the very bottom, aside from just cutting it right across the bottom of the firewall, the top side of the floorboard, everything else we've been able to cut the spot welds out and take apart. So the cowl piece in the front, the top side of the firewall, cut the spot welds, and we're actually able to remove this, and that gives us access to the rest of the spot welds that holds the top side to the side of the horns, I guess is what that would be.
From basically what it is, it's 1, 2, there's a third piece under here that those are cradled in, and then you've got the fourth, which would be the firewall. So this is a 4-piece one. Once we get those out of the way, they are what they are. But the way we've done the spot welds, drilled them out, we should be able to, from our calculations, everything seems to be exact. Here, 10 years difference, 87 to 97, which is crazy, but everything should sit right in. We should be able to weld it all up. Of course, seam seals, so we don't have any water get in here and there. But yeah, weld it all up, and then we'll deal with the bottom of the firewall when we get there. Other than that, I think we can do it.
Yeah.
Would it be hand duck or hand hook?
That's a good question.
That is a good question. Amazon, $19 and some change. 2 days to the door. These things, I don't know if you've used them or not. If you haven't and you're going to do some spot welds here and there, this is the tool to have.
Yeah, they've been doing good.
I mean, these things they go through this like butter. As a matter of fact, they work so well that you have to be careful with what you're doing, or you will go slam through it. But it is spelt Handook. Now, we're not plugging these guys. It's an awesome product, but I mean, how would you say that? Handook or hand hook? I don't know. Y'all tell us. Put it in the comments. But other than that, that's what we're doing.
That's where we're at. That's the update.
This is a great update. I'm happy where we're at.
Yeah, we're making progress.
We are making progress.
We're taking our time with this part of it because Well, we've never done it before.
Nope.
So
We're not body men, but so far we've ended up widening rear fender wells, and we're
now we're tackling this. Yeah.
I mean, this what I'm trying to say is that if we can do it, hell, anybody can do it. Really? Well,
Yeah.
let's get the job done first.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see how it turns out.
Let's get the job done first.
All right, well,
Show them what we're
get
doing.
this thing flipped over and start drilling some holes.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet side, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, she is. That glue was a little bit tougher than
Yeah.
glue on the Comanche.
I guess 10 years of heating in the sun kind of broke down the stuff on the Comanche, but
That was a nightmare.
you can see she's sitting on there. Obviously not to stay. We got to take it off to do the lower part, but it's
Think she's gonna do it.
it's coming along.
Think she's gonna do it.
Coming along. Now we got to get in here and separate.
You see, this is what I'm talking about. See that right there where that mud builds up? That water rushes over here.
It just comes right in that.
Just comes right in the full board.
Well, there's also a hole. Oh, I guess that's a drain for it.
I guess so.
So yeah, we got to separate some of this.
We gotta knock this off.
Yeah, peel that back.
There's a piece right here that we have to. That we'll peel it back, and we got
Separate
here.
it down through here,
Other than that,
and then just fit it all the way across the bottom. We got to kind of shape it to fit what's going on over there as close as possible. And yeah,
now just get all them spot welds, get that cleaned up, get them down, get them welded up, and ground it down where they don't look half-assed like shit.
yeah. Well, thanks for watching, guys. In the next update, this thing should have a firewall in it.
Yeah, let's. Fingers crossed.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and maybe we'll see you out on the trail. Peace.
It is. I'm glad to bring a really. What's that word I'm looking for?
Bridgeability?
No, that was last time.
Oh.
That was last time. It was good reachability.
Yeah.
Uh,
What are you trying to say?